Bare feet on the sand, feel a little lighter. The waves whisper secrets, feel a bit brighter. Palm trees sway into a rhythm all their own. In this paradise island, calling it home. Stars shining above us like diamonds on display. Moonlight dances on the water, always leads the way. We sing our hearts out to the beat of the night. With every strum of the guitar, everything feels right. Let's ride the breeze with smiles so wide. Catch that free-spirited wave, no reason to hide. Feel the reggae beat, move your soul. In the silent paradise, let's lose control. Sunrise waking us with golden embrace. Every new dawn brings a tender grace. Living this island dream, nothing feels the same. In this tropical groove, we play life's game. Love's like the ocean, endless and free. Holding on to moments as wild as the sea. In this reggae rhythm, we find our peace. Together forever, our hearts release. Let's ride the breeze.